Welcome back to my channel. So on the electric field, this is my sixth video. So here today we are going to discuss about the very important topic, that is electric flux. So what do you mean by electric flux? What are the equation for the electric flux? And which quantity is this electric flux? And what is the SI unit of electric flux? All the things we will cover today in this video. So electric flux nothing but it is in a given surface, it is the total number of electric field lines passing through that surface which is normal. It's very simple. Let us take a surface where electric field lines and this surface are perpendicular to each other. Electric field lines and this surface both are perpendicular to each other. This is nothing but your electric flux. Electric field lines passing through surface is a normal or perpendicular. So this is your electric flux. Here it is the formula for the electric flux, that is delta pi is equals to E dot delta S. So this dot is removed, vector quantity, this is removed with the help of a cos theta. It is written as E into delta S cos. E is nothing but electric field lines, electric field. Okay. So this electric flux is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity is nothing but it is a contain only magnitude. Okay. And the SI unit is, we know that electric field is a Newton per coulomb. Okay, electric flux is a Newton per coulomb because F by Q. Then our delta S area, it is measured in a meter square. So our SI unit is Newton per coulomb meter square. So whenever you have a difficulty to derive or whenever you have a difficulty to remember SI unit, just remember the equation, and through this equation you can derive this SI unit. Okay. So E is, it is measured in Newton per coulomb. So simply area is measured in meter square. So I hope you understood all the concept of today's electric flux. If you have any doubt, please comment me and subscribe to my channel. Please like. Thank you. Bye bye.